problem statement, right? So guys, the problem statement is as follows. Let's say you are working in Swiggy as a marketing manager. Okay, Swiggy is a food delivery service. Let's say you're working in Swiggy as a marketing manager, and Zomato, which is Swiggy's rival, has just just launched the Zomato Gold subscription. By the way, guys, how many of you know about Zomato Gold? Can I get yes or no in the chat box? If you know, no,
Aditya,
yes.
little bit dicey voice. Can you please connect your earphones if you have with you?
Um, sure. Is this better?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, no, yes, yes, little, no. Okay. Is my voice still cracking, Kachave?
No, it's all right now.
Okay. No, okay. Alright, guys. So I see mixed responses. Yes, no worries. Okay, I'll repeat the problem statement and we'll see what we can do about it for people who don't know about Zomato Group. Let's say you are working in Swiggy as a marketing manager and Zomato has just launched the Zomato Gold subscription. Okay, your manager or your boss at Swiggy calls you and asks you to prepare a detailed deck by tonight on Zomato Gold and its implication on Swiggy's business. Okay, is everyone clear with the problem statement? Can I get a yes or no on the chat box if you all are clear with the problem statement? Yes, clear. Could you repeat? Okay. Ranjit says, could you repeat? Don't worry. I see a couple of other notes. I'll try to repeat it, guys, but try to understand it this time. Okay, I'll go very slow. Let's say you are working in Swiggy as a marketing manager. Okay, you are working in Swiggy as a marketing manager, and Zomato has just launched the Zomato Gold subscription. It's one of the products launched by Zomato. Okay, your manager or your boss at Swiggy calls you and asks you to prepare a detailed deck. Sneha, deck means presentation. Okay, calls you and asks you to prepare a detailed presentation by tonight on Zomato Gold and its implication on Swiggy's business. Okay, this is the problem statement that we have in hand. Alright, is it clear now, guys, who were not able to understand it earlier? Is it clear now? Yes, please.
Yes.
Alright. Moving forward. So what are the three very crucial steps in order to make a presentation, guys? Number one, okay, like I am 100% sure that everyone would agree that research, like without research you cannot make anything, like you cannot make a doc, you cannot make a presentation, and you need to have very good research done in order to make a presentation. Like for example, people who did not know about Zomato Gold, or even for people who know about Zomato Gold, but if you don't have detailed knowledge about it, how are you going to be presenting it? So number one is research. Number two, outline. What is the outline that you should follow? And number three is design. Like you should make the presentation look very aesthetic, right? Like you need to present it to your boss, and aesthetics play a very important role in that. Outline means, like, what will you cover in slide 1, what will you cover in slide 2, slide 3. Shraddha, hope I am clear. Alright, so moving forward. So guys, what do you think? You are clear with the problem statement. How much time do you think will you take in order to make a detailed presentation like this? Can you tell me, what do you think? How much time will you take in order to do this? 5 to 6
5, 6 hours, 1 day, 2, 3 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours. 3 hours.
8 days, 1 week. Viral says 1 week. Ranjit says on an average whole day. 17 minutes. At least a day. 2 days, 30 minutes, 3 hours, 6 hours, 3 to 5 hours, 5 days. So let me ask my friend, Kachave, who used to work at a private equity firm. He used to make presentations all day. Kachave, what do you think? How much time you used to take in order to make presentations?
See, the rule of thumb was if I am creating slide set with 60 PPTs, then it used to take 60 hours. So 1 hour for each slide. So that was a rule of thumb. And for 60 slide presentation, it would have taken 60 hours on an average.
Okay. So we have varied responses. We have 1 hour, we have 2 hours, we have 5 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours, 2 days, 5 days, 7 days, 60 days. We have a complete gamut of responses on how much time you would actually need in order to make a detailed presentation. Okay, but I will show you something amazing. Okay, I'll try to do it much faster. Whatever responses we got, okay, I'll try to do it much faster, and I want you all to do it together with me. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so number one thing that you need to do in order to make a presentation, as we discussed, is research. Okay, research on any sort of topic you want to know more about. So guys, I want you all to guess which tool I'm going to be covering for the research part. Okay, I want you to use your creative liberty and tell me which is the tool that I'll use for the same. ChatGPT, Google, ChatGPT, Bard, ChatGPT, Google, Power BI, not really. Google, ChatGPT, Google. Okay, so I see almost all of it boiling down to two sort of responses: Google or ChatGPT. But guys, this is a AI tools workshop. Okay, so we'll be moving forward with ChatGPT, and I'll show you the difference between Google and ChatGPT as well. So guys, the first tool that almost I would say maximum of you have guessed it right is ChatGPT. So the application, you can research on any sort of topic. Okay, let's try to understand it with the help of a demo itself. Okay, guys, in order to go to ChatGPT, I'll just show you the steps. Try to follow it. I'll go to Google and type ChatGPT over here. Okay, once I type ChatGPT on Google, there will be this particular option which comes in front of me. Okay, once I click on that, okay, I'll see this particular option which is try ChatGPT. Okay, once I click on try ChatGPT, if you don't have an account, you will be asked to make an account. Okay, if you don't have an account, make it. It's free of cost. You can make an account. If you don't have an account, you will be asked to do so. If you already have an account, you'll be redirected to this particular screen, just like me. Okay. What if Google bans ChatGPT search? Ankur asks. So what I'll do, Ankur, I'll share this particular link for you, and just you can simply go to this particular link and access ChatGPT. All right. Okay, guys. If you cannot see model 3.5 Sushanta, you can change it over here. Okay, you can choose GPT-4, which is a paid version. You can choose legacy. You can choose default, which is both based on GPT 3.5, and GPT 4 is a paid one. You can use that as well if you want.
Okay, people are asking is GPT plus absolutely for free? No, it is not. You have to pay $20 a month for using GPT-4. Alright, GPT plus you have to pay $20 a month. Rest of it like GPT 3.5 is absolutely free of cost. You can go and log in on openai.com, chat.openai.com, and you can get GPT 3.5 for absolutely free. But do you guys want ChatGPT plus for free? Do you guys want GPT-4 for free?
Okay, have you already started giving out gifts? Touch out.
Yes. So wait, by end of this session, I'll give you GPT-4 for absolutely free of cost. All right. So at the end of this session,
Viswajit is asking difference between GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. Gachave, you want to answer that?
Yeah. So basically, GPT is generative pretend transformer. All right. So it generates text. So 3.5 is basically a GPT-3 version, which was fine-tuned. Like it is a collection of all the languages in the world, like all the data in the form of text. They have collected that data, and they are trying to make sense out of that data using AI. All right. When they trained GPT-3, they used maybe 4 billion parameters. But when they were training GPT-4, they used 170 billion parameters. So GPT-4 is basically 20 times more powerful than GPT 3.5. So that is difference between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5.
Okay, guys. All right.
And a lot of people are having questions about plagiarism. So whatever generated by AI, that won't be considered plagiarism because it is generated. It is not like scraped from the internet. It is generated using AI. All right.
Okay, guys. So let's move again, to the presentation deck that we were trying to make. Okay, for people who don't know about, Zomato Gold, the first and foremost thing in order to make a presentation is know more about Zomato Gold. Would you all agree with me? Would you all agree that knowing more about Zomato Gold is the perfect thing, to do? Yes. Yes, super. Okay, so let's first know more about Zomato Group. Give me some details about Zomato Gold. So Tushar is asking what is Zomato Gold. This is exactly what we are trying to understand now. Zomato Gold. Let's say if I don't know about Zomato Gold, I can simply go to ChatGPT and give the prompt over here. Give me some details about Zomato Gold, and let's see what is the